What's up guys? I don't know what time is it na pero I look grumpy as fuck, man. Mukhang ewan na ako. By the way, college dropout na si me. Damn, 3 months ago. 3 months ago, 2 months ago. Hindi na ako napasok kasi wala. Life is lifing nga. Because I'm currently di ko alam kung may trabaho ko mamaya. I do not know. Therefore, I do not answer. Ganda talaga ba ni Ate Becky? Behind ako sa rent lang 3 months, 2 months. Behind ako sa rent. That's why I don't know. I'ma plug this shit. Daily vlog by John David Soria. Hindi ko alam later kung may work ako. Tapos right here, I got my boy right there. Card. Then I'ma watch later. Or I'ma do something interesting. I don't know. Simple vlog lang. Right? Then live. Or I'ma play guitar later. There, so see you later guys. I'ma try to practice that shit, yung La Espada. Ang tayong chords, like that. Tapos kailangan mabilis. So, out of, La Espada man guys. Addict sa bleach. Oh damn boys. That's how to do it. Pwede na. Yun na yun. Try natin. Right. Ano ba yun? Isang song lang. Ano ba yun? Kakamali na ako sa chords. Yan. Try natin yung favorite ko na song sa isa nga ba ito? Pakinggan ko sa napakinggan nyo sa Isang Daang Tula Para kay Stella. Ayos yun. So, mga nagkakaina na sila. Hindi ka amay ko yun kasi yun ay kasya sa budget ko. Paano nga ba yun? Yan, tama.
myself to think I'll be alright. But I'm missing open door. My body and my soul. Living my life, having it show. So come out to me and close the door. Nobody made me feel this way before. Is there really no one else? Speaking not to, where to begin? The breaking in us, I'm finding myself back. You can only see me as a friend. I thought that this very deal's got to end. Never in my life have been more sure. So come out to me and close the door. Nobody made me feel this way before. Saan? Like that. Si Glenn. Kadalasan niya lang kanina eh. Galing ko siya kasi nag-training daw kasi hindi ko notes kung anong shit ang training doon. Sa guitar matches lang. Wala. Nothing interesting happened for today. Bumili ng isaw sila Carl. Tapos ay binilang ko ng ulam si Glenn. Damn, 60 pesos para sa putang ng Bicol Express. Pero madami ka ba? Kasi may na. Ha? Oh, madami sitaw. Tangin diba? Oh, fuck, bumawi sa sitaw. So 50 pesos yung yung baboy, tas 10 pesos yung sitaw. Kasi may na. Recorded yan. Tago ng gasol.
Kasi nga ako yung dapat nun aalis ako.
Glenn, alam mo na ba?
Ano?
Hindi mo pa alam? So hindi mo pa alam?
Pasensya ka.
Ayan, so life humming. Ulit na si Glenn. Glenn is here na still no work pa. Titingin tayo. Bukas, hanap tayo ulit. Dibahin na, diba? Ibibenta kong washing ko bukas eh. Sama ko kayo. Dating interested na kami. Hindi ko meron, hindi ka ako eh. Shit, nakakatabi na. Tapos ay